In the chemical room, we have the HRV2 control. The HRV2 control is the same as HRV1. So on the left-hand side, you have the on-off button, which will switch the unit on and off. In the center, you have the option for your dehumidification, which once again, you'll press it until it sets the green light at a point, and it will flash if it is currently in dehumidification, and it'll be a solid light if it's not in dehumidification mode. And then directly beside that, you have an override to set the fan to low or high speed should it not be in dehumidification mode. To mention beside it, we do have another temperature thermostat here. This thermostat is for the unit heater directly above me, installed by others. As well, you have DuctHeater2, which is controlled by a thermostat in the box on the ductwork just next to DuctHeater2. This has an up and down arrow that allows you to set the set point up and down for the supply air temperature. It's by default set to 20 degrees Celsius. You should never have to set this ever again unless you're finding it's too cold in space. However, most of your space temperature should be coming from the unit heater, as mentioned earlier. There will also be another timer in there set to run the unit on and off for a minimum of 20 minutes an hour. I'll go over this again after here. As I was mentioning for HRV2, there is a timer, same model as the one in my hands here, that'll be controlling the HRV to ensure that it runs for a minimum of 20 minutes an hour every hour. This is to ensure you have airflow into the space and just keeps air moving in the space. If you ever were to reset this, which you shouldn't have to, it has two dials, one for your off time and one for your on time. I have, with the dip switches, set so that for every one value there, it's a value of 10. So say I've got it set here on my off time, it is set to 4. So that means it's going to be off for 40 minutes. After it's off for these 40 minutes, it'll then go to this timer on the other side, the on time, and now it's on, and I've got it set to 2, so it'll be set for 20 minutes. Should you ever have to make any changes to this, however long it's running, if it's not a multiple of 20, we'd ask that you call us based off of our number on the panel for exhaust fan 3. And we'll be able to walk you through a manual how to reset this to different values. We can get this set so that it's running for up to hours or even in seconds if that were what you wanted. If you have any questions, we'd ask once again that you call our office and we'll walk you through any questions you may have for it.
Where's that being installed?
It'll be in a box just up here. I don't have it installed yet, but
Oh, we're good.
perfect.